Hi, everybody, and welcome to Trades of the Week, where myself, Marcus de Maria, and my head trader, Dennis Salstrom, who is in isolation at the moment because he's in the UK, because we're going to do our crypto workshop weekend. I can't wait. It's the first time we're doing a 3-day as opposed to a 2-day. Yay, it's going to be amazing. But he's in isolation here. I'm going to show you what we're getting into and out of, different strategies, different asset classes. So, shall we go straight to Buffalo, or would you like to say something before that?
I would like to say something before. So we have something super special for you, and that is the Christmas special, where you're going to come to we in our Facebook group. We have a Facebook Live, 90 minutes Facebook Live, where you can ask Keith anything between heaven and earth when it comes to trading and investing, preferably. And you can wear your Christmas jumper and minced pie, I think you said, Marcus?
Yes, but jumper, I prefer jumper. Yeah.
A jumper, yes. Okay, yes. And also, if you attend this, we're going to have some amazing Christmas bonuses or Christmas gifts for you. So by attending the whole 90 minutes, you're going to be able to maybe win a membership, right? That's going to be a 1-year membership on any club of your choice that we have.
Just for attending.
Just for attending. And if you're a member, you can extend for 1 year or choose another club. If you're completely new, you're just going to be able to choose any club for 1 year. But you know what, Marcus? That's not it. We also going to gift out a £500 bonus, well, not a bonus, but a £500 note to trade with, or £500 to trade with.
So you get a whole year's membership or an additional membership, and you also get £500. Okay. Wow.
Yes.
And that's just for what? Being there for 90 minutes?
Yes, exactly. You're going to be liable to win this, and we're going to then do a lottery. And then the third one is that we have actually also packed loads of merchandise, like the books that Marcus has written that are amazing, and loads of other things that are a little bit secret because it's actually Christmas. So it's going to be some kind of gift there. Mm-hmm. So you're going to be liable to win that as well. So you cannot miss this opportunity to actually learn a lot about cryptos and stocks, and going to get some gifts as well.
Talk about actually, you should special. I know. You should just be there anyway, but you could also get the chance to win 3 amazing prizes as well. I mean, that's on the 8th. And how do people get the information?
Yeah, so in the way to get the information is that you go to our Investment Mastery Facebook group, and then
maybe there's a link here somewhere as well. Maybe there's
there might be. Who knows?
Who knows? Okay, so let's get going, because we got to go through the Buffaloes.
Yes, let's go through the Buffaloes. First and foremost, we're looking at bets. So we are shorting the betting company, and we're putting the stop loss currently at 1.5% in profit.
So we're not getting out. We're just moving our stop loss down, locking that in. I mean, we're 2% up for sure, but we're looking in at 1.5%. Yeah. What's next?
Next one is EPC, Edgewell Personal Care. We're up 3% in profit. No, 4%, amazing. But we're raising it up to a 3% mark. So locking in 3% in profit there as well.
Wow, so that's 4.5% already. Let's keep going.
Yeah, is that worth a moo?
Yeah, woo. Well, no.
Maybe a woo. Okay, there we go. Then we have Yext. We are locking in 2% in profit there as well. We're up around 3% here. So we are locking in 2%. I think that's going to be awesome.
That. So that's 6.5. Now, don't forget, we are not getting out here. We're letting things run. That's one of the golden rules. Okay, what's next?
Next is FIBK. And we have a 1% loss on this.
Boo. Okay, that's a boo. That's a boo. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Well, yeah.
That happens. Part of the game, no emotions. And then we have ABG. And that is Asbury Automotive Group. No trade. It just went down instead. And this, my friend, is the power of using a stop order. So we wait for the price to go up and get in.
Yeah. He's not talking about a stop loss here. Okay, so a stop order to get in. Yeah, to allow the price to get in. So there's no trade here. Don't try and get in here now. You know, this is not that strategy. This is a trading strategy. We're not looking at fundamentals, so we don't know whether this is a good company or not. We're just looking at the Buffalo pattern. Okay, what do we have next?
Very nice. Yes. So besides from that, just comment below. Are you getting into any of these? Are you also locking in the profit with a stop loss? Comment below, because we would love to know. But then we have 3 new ones as well for this week. And we do have some updates. Anything about the market, Marcus, that is happening?
Not a lot, really. I mean, oil prices expect to be bearish because the pandemic seems to be resurging again. Who knows? Oh, my goodness. Gold prices, therefore, are looking to go up, which is good because I think we have a position with PAAS, which is, of course, a silver miner. So when gold goes up, silver tends to go up a little bit more. So, yeah, let's go through the not recommendations, the ones we're looking at.
Yeah, the ones we're looking at. The first one is Arch Resources, ARCH. And currently, it went up a bit yesterday. But if you look at the candle from the 19th, 2 days ago, or something like that, then what you have is, if you put your order 1% above that, as we do with the Buffalo, then you would not be in still. So you can actually calculate your entry on the 19th of November, which would give you a really good risk reward ratio on this as well. But it looks to be going up and the momentum is changing slightly.
Very nice. That's a very nice risk reward. I mean, it looks like at least a 1 to 4, at least.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So that's the first one. Second one is C4 Therapeutics. And it absolutely has some C4 in this. It's exploded down. That's a good joke right there.
I got that one. That was a good one. I chortled inside.
Yeah, that's good. But we're waiting for a green explosive candle in order to enter. So let's wait for that first. It looks to be breaking below, but we'll see today. That's going to be interesting to watch.
And the next one,
JW. But by no means least, Nordstrom.
Oh, is that your cousin, Dennis Sandstrom?
Yes, it could be Dennis Nordstrom. Yes, that's it.
I think that sounds better.
What do you mean it sounds better?
Yeah, Dennis Nordstrom. Yeah, sounds really cool.
Doesn't sound better at all. That's rubbish. Don't encourage Marcus. Right, that's okay. So earnings is today, so we're gonna wait a little bit with this. In case you're not in, just wait past earnings, and then hopefully it goes up to the resistance again. That allows you to enter.
Oh, very good. We got some good ones here. We got some good ones. I bought a great pair of shoes once in Las Vegas in Nordstrom. I'm just saying it's not relevant, but let's keep going. So that's good. Let's go to cryptos. Right. I mean, what's been happening with cryptos? It's been going up all year. Suddenly it's gone down. Cyber's now going down some more. People are getting scared again. What's happening?
Yeah, well, it is happening. That's a good one. But if we look at the technicals first, we are seeing that it's still going higher, right? There's no need to worry. Creating lower highs, higher highs and higher lows. And now is another one. So we do have a level of support going up here as well. So we might go down all the way down. Who knows, to maybe 54. Who knows, really. But we do believe the market is 60,
actually. That's when, we think it's still bullish. I bought some more at 60, thinking I was being clever. But I'm in a loss on that one. But I'm, holding it for the long term. So it is fine. Yeah. All right. What else should we be looking at then? Because we've got this long list of things that we're in at the moment. So
we do. And we've been milking this like crazy. The first one we can look at is VeChain is currently down actually 32%. They're actually introducing proof of authority into their ecosystem.
So we have proof of work, proof of stake, now proof of authority. What is that? Quickly, what is that?
Very quickly, it's just a way for so proof of stake is the bigger stake you hold, the more voting power you have, and the more rewards you're getting, basically. And proof of authority is the more you prove yourself that you can be a trusted node or a trusted miner, if that makes sense, the bigger authority you get. No, it doesn't make sense. But you get
it doesn't make sense. It does. It seems like it's not so more centralized. That's what it sounds like. VeChain is a great project, and they're saying it's great because, of course, it's greener than proof of work. I don't see how it's greener than proof of stake, though. But anyway, let's keep going. So that one's a good one, and it is down by around 32% from a recent high, and that is a good project. Please always do your own research. What else should we be looking at?
Yeah, but proof of stake, Marcus, is that the meat is a bit heavy on the environment. So stake, is that's why. Okay.
Oh, that was your second joke. I think your first one was a little bit better, but yeah.
Okay, yes. So the next one we're looking at, and a lot of these are down, by the way. If you have a look at Theta, Link, and a lot of these are actually gone down a bit. Mana among them, the metaverse, we're going to get into that in a moment. So make sure you look through it. Or your positions, but we're taking 100% profit here on AWACS, taking another 20% off the table. Moo, yes. And the next one, Yeah, which is very interesting is CRO. This is crypto.com.
Moo, 3 times.
Moo. Yes, 2, 3, and 400%.
Now please do make sure you do that though. Okay, so don't just watch things go up and then come back down. Then you haven't made any money, right? So milk that cow.
Yes, and the reason it's going up is because it's actually created a partnership and with the Staples Stadium. So now it's going to be called the Crypto.com Stadium, which is one of the biggest in the world, which is very cool. So I'm not sure what they had to do to get that, but
I think they had to pay a lot of money for that, Dennis. Just guessing, wild stab in the dark, but yes, a lot of money. Yeah, which they printed out of nothing. It's called tokens.
Yeah.
All right, so what's next?
Yeah, we do have one on ADA as well. ADA is down quite a bit, and now they're actually launching on Bitstamp, one of the biggest exchanges in Europe, and the biggest, I think, at the moment. So I think that's going to be good news for Cardano, and down 42%. Do your own research, but great as a CCA investment.
Wow, imagine getting into something at minus 42%. Now, that is awesome.
Black Friday deal.
Yeah, that is right. Black Friday deal. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, cool. Anything else? What about Polkadot? What about that? Oh,
Dot is also down quite a bit. So Polkadot also really interesting, down 30% at the moment. And they're creating these parachains, and they actually finished the first auction. Mm-hmm. And it's a good way to just simply explain, raise money into different projects. So what's happening you use Dot, you commit them to the project for 1-2 years. And then as a reward, you get your Dot back, and you're getting also tokens in the other project.
Yeah, so like it's a way for example, and Moonbeam. But it does mean, like Dennis just said, that you are like locking away your Dot for several years. So if you are going to do this, the way that I've done it is I've only put a percentage of my Dot, which I'm going to sell anyway, because I'm in it for the long term, into that. Because you can't touch it now for 2 years. If you are chosen. I think that was everything. So let's have a look at Luna, which we're looking at this week. Or is it Terra, Luna? Absolutely great project. Please do your own research. However, it's down 25% from a recent high. So that's a great entry point for our small cap strategy. And by the way, we're going to look at the results in a moment. Our small cap strategy has been going extremely well. We're up almost 3,900% of money invested in a year and a half. And that's, year and a half?
Since September,
September of last year.
September last year,
yeah. So it's not so less.
A little bit more than a year.
Yeah, absolutely amazing.
But Luna, so they have created this big ecosystem, and they have a lot of DeFi projects on there. It's a great place to earn dividend through staking, for example. So Terra and Terra Station and Luna then is such a great project to be looking at. So that's it for crypto. We're still bullish, and if you keep attending these sessions here, you will be the first to know on every Tuesday what's happening in the market, and of course what we think will happen in the shorter to longer term with cryptos as well. And as we have been for the last couple of weeks, and crypto has been going up as well, we have been bullish. But as soon as we change our sentiment on that, you guys will be the first to know.
Absolutely. All right, let's turn to our longer term stock strategy with the VCA. What are we looking at?
Yes, we're looking at Apple first. We took 20% yesterday, so that's worth a moo.
Moo.
And then Spotify as well. We had our stop loss at 25%. It just fell down like a rock and took us out. So we made another 25% on that, on the money invested.
Wow, we could have made a lot more though. A lot more, right?
Yeah, we could have. But we could have made a lot less also. So, see it on the positive side.
All right. Okay, let's do that.
Okay. KGC plus 15%. Wow.
Now, why did we come out of that? I just announced that because the pandemic gold is probably going to be going up, and we come out. This is rubbish.
Well, we're in other ones as well, but we need to milk the cow, Marcus. Follow the strategies. This is
not milking the cow, dude. Milking the cow means you're killing the cow here. You're out. You're totally out.
Well, depends how you see it.
You get that?
The cow is the whole portfolio still, which is growing. So the cow is getting fatter. We need to milk it. Okay, here we go.
That's the farm. That's not... Anyway, keep going. Anyway.
Okay. And PayPal, which is an amazing company, down 40%. I don't know when you're going to get an opportunity like this. It's such a no-brainer.
I got into that again. I got into that for one of my kids because I think down minus 40% on PayPal. I think it's pretty good. But do your own research, really, really important, because as we, that looks pretty scary. When you just did that, do that again. Yeah, I mean, that looks pretty scary, right? That looks like it's really, okay, that looks less scary now. So it all depends on perspective, doesn't it? And that's life.
Yeah.
Okay, so what else? What else should we be looking at here?
Yeah, dollar tree has really been a dollar tree. Stop loss is going higher. We're locking in 45% at the moment here.
Yeah.
Just below this little consolidation. Wow. So hopefully that
is on. A stock plus 45%. We're locked in. That is really, really cool. All right, well done. Awesome. That is so good. Yeah. I am going to give that a moo, even though it is not milking the cow. It is actually killing the cow, but
moo. Okay, here we go. And then we have MicroStrategy. We made 20% on that as well, which is awesome. So well done if you were in this. So make sure you comment below. Are you in these? Are you taking advantage of all these trades that we are making?
You could have made 35% on that. The hell? All right.
Why are you seeing this on the negative side? I don't get it.
Look how it shut up so much over the last few weeks. Who's raising these? Who's not raising these top losses?
I mean, if you're complaining, it's Keith. If you think it's good, then it's me.
Keith.
And then we have Pfizer as well. Pfizer, we put a stop loss at 20%, locking that in. Hopefully, it carries on higher.
This is good. Well done, guys. This is really good. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so that's good. And then nothing to report on these. We're in AG, the silver company. We spoke about that in regards to inflation. Same with PASS. Both of them are down around 34%.
They look exactly the same. I mean, they're
both silver miners. Yeah, that is true.
Yeah, but they will gap down. Yeah.
And then we're adding.
Do we have a new one? Yeah. So IPGP. So India, Papa, Golf, and Papa.
Wow.
I was almost going to say something really rude there. I don't know why that came up. Yes, good. Keep going.
Yes. So yeah, this is one of the market leaders in this space, and what we're looking at here is
high power fiber lasers. Yeah, we're always looking for ones that are really the leaders in their industry. So positive income, positive earnings per share for the next year and the next 5 years, good debt ratio, or everything's positive. Return on equity, return on investment, return on assets, everything is positive. And it's down 37%. Now, this is a fundamental play, and you still need to do your own research because when you are getting in several times in order to lower that price before it starts turning, you need to make sure that you don't suddenly go, oh, actually, I don't believe in it anymore, and don't get in that last time. And that's that last time that brings down that average price. So, make sure you do that. That's looking good, though. Let's have a look at the results. I'm stoked about these results. It's going to be amazing.
Yeah, absolutely. Buffalo minus 1% because that's a closed one, right?
Yeah, because that's okay. So on the Buffalo, we're struggling a little bit, right? Let's see, September, October, November. So 2 months. We should be up higher than that. However, I can already see how much we've locked in, so we know the 3% a month on average is working, which is amazing. That is fantastic. Okay, 3% a month is what we're looking for on the Buffalo on our entire portfolio. On the VCA, we added 60%, so that's 815 on the money invested in just over a year and 2 months. Cryptocurrency, obviously a little bit more, 1,460%, Dennis, not 1,460. 1,460 on the money invested, but the small cap, more risk, more returns, 3,900. Let's face it, that is almost 4,000%. When that, or if that, or well, let's say when that bull market continues, that's going to be a lot more than that. Okay, now we see that the bull market continuing probably until February, March. Some studies show that even though it goes up less percentage-wise in each of the previous bull markets, but it also takes longer as well. So it's not potentially going to be the 4-year cycle until the end of December. It probably will be a little bit longer, especially with the institutions looking to get in. So as usual, not only do I hope that you enjoyed it, but I hope that you are taking action. So please do comment below. Look, you're in one of two camps. Either you're going to comment below. Both camps comment below, by the way, just so you know. So comment below whether you are doing this and you're getting in and you're making profits, or you're like, oh my goodness, I need to get in. There's no point just watching and not taking action. Be the hero of your own life. Don't just watch other people. Of course, we'll be here to guide you, and therefore make sure you subscribe. Use us as a springboard for your own success. We're very happy to do that. That's what we do. We run an education and trading company. So please do make sure that you subscribe, give us a like, and we look forward to seeing you, well, on the 8th of December for sure, right, for that amazing Christmas present. I cannot believe what we are giving away, or why. I don't get it.
Are you going to be there, Marcus, with a chance to win?
I'm going to do my best, depending on, you can't tell me what time it is. So if you can tell me what time it is, then I'm sure I'll be there. I'll look it up now. But otherwise, I'm going to hope to be there on the 8th, which is a Wednesday. So yeah, there's no reason why I shouldn't be there. Wearing some funny hat, I am sure. So make sure you do the same, because I don't want to be alone in that.
But I mean to win the prizes.
Oh, I'll be there to win the prize. Oh, will I? What, are we both eligible to win the prizes? I'll definitely be there. Are you kidding me? They're amazing prizes. We will see you next week, same time at Trades of the Week.